Hey everyone, if you're looking to automate your spreadsheets, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to Zapier so you can automatically send and receive data between Google Sheets and your favorite apps. First, sign in to your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button and choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for Google Sheets and select it as your trigger or action app, depending on how you want your workflow to operate. Now choose the trigger or action event. For example, you can start a Zap when a new spreadsheet row is added, or automatically create a new row when something happens in another app. Click Sign In to connect your Google account. Select the account you want to use, review the requested permissions, and click Allow to give Zapier access to your Google Sheets. After your account is connected, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Then test the connection to make sure Zapier can access your data correctly. So if everything looks good, finish configuring your Zap, give it a name, and turn it on. Your automation will now run automatically whenever the selected trigger occurs. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully connected Google Sheets to Zapier. Now you can automate data entry, reporting, and countless other workflows without doing everything manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.